Could anyone tell me which flower is this? Before I can tell you. Well, this is a flower of a plant called AMALANGA. AMALANGA, like ball-like seeds, black seeds, very beautiful one. We used to play with them when we are a bit young. That is the plant. Just look at its massive leaves. The leaves are massive. They are broad in nature. Just look at that one. There is also this one. Let's go back to the leaves. The leaves are broad in nature. The exotic name for AMALANGA, I don't know, but I'll show you how beautiful it is. I'm just in a garden. That's where I'm bringing you all this. The leaves are massive. They are actually massive and broad. Look at those leaves. Look at that. Look at those leaves. And then the beautiful flowers of AMALANGA plant.